Here I've got BUSH Spira B5 and let me show you how to use all the secret codes on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dealer and go to keypad. Now we will start with the first code, pretty quick one, which is *#06#, and it's one of the most useful codes which will provide you with both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. So just enter *#06# and then you can come along with both IMEI numbers that are the unique numbers assigned to your BUSH. It's the first code. Now it's time for the second one, and it is *#759 ##. And as you can see now, we are in the back menu, so here you can check brand code, unique device ID, activation events sent, next alarm, current backup enabled, services, ping table, and many other useful info. You can also come up with ping events and view client ID. So let me go back. It's time for the third code, and it is *#426 ##. And now we are in diagnostic mode performed by Google, where you can locate events and also status. And if you'd like to activate advanced view, just tap on the more icon and then select advanced view. Here it is. You can come along with all the information. So that will be all. And another code is *#225 #*. And here you've got the calendar info, so you can check all holidays in Poland or the place you currently stay in, and also all the events that are assigned to your Google Calendar and also device's calendar. So from now on you will not forget about any important celebration, any important event. So let's go back. And the last one, the last code is *#4636 #*. And here you've got the testing mode, where you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. So let's start with phone information. Here you can read your IMEI number, you can perform a ping test, just click on Run Ping Test, and below you've got the solution, and you can come along with plenty of very useful info. Then under user statistics, you can come along with the detailed information about your application. So if you'd like to check usage time, just open it, and here you've got all applications included. And finally, Wi-Fi information, where you can come along with Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. Under Wi-Fi APA, you will locate disabled network, disconnect networks, enabled network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info in general. Then under Wi-Fi configuration, you can read all your configured networks, and then under Wi-Fi status, just refresh status, you can check the status of the network you are currently connected with, and also this mode allows you to perform a ping test over here. And that would be all. These are all secret codes that can be used in this device. Enjoy them and use them as often as you want to, as you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.